why do you want to go to Saudi Arabia? How does that really for women? I thought back about when I had just done Basic Instinct and I went to the studio and asked them if I would direct, and I was laughed out and shown the door. And now I see Saudi Arabia having so many women from all over the world here together and sponsoring women that are in the Cannes Film Festival and having 41 female filmmakers here. It really moves my heart, and it makes me come to understand how emerging markets all over the world can change the lives of women globally, and I'm so proud to be here. Female film directors of note include The Bridge of Palestine,